Cleaning my EDC. I should do it every month or so, or every other week, depending on how much you carry it. Since this one's always in my holster, I have 2 holsters for it. It's fairly clean, but you always want to keep your guns clean. So use a little bit of cleaner. Clean the rails, trigger group area, so especially in the slide. You get your barrel. Yep, there you go. Clean up in here, get all the dust out, and then every season I change out my ammunition every 6 months or so. Fire off the old rounds, put new rounds in. So even your rounds get nasty over time. But being in your pocket, your EDC could get really dirty. So just give it a little bit of tender love and care, and you'll be all good to go. So I'm trying out my new glasses in the house. Unfortunately, they don't have the transition lenses, so they're constantly dark. But 60-second videos, it's pretty cool. Gives you guys an idea of what I do to keep my EDC just touched up. Give you a 60-second video. So, pretty cool, huh? So, enjoy some easy content. Cool. But yeah, this is what I do. And then after that, I just kind of just use a towel to dry everything off. But yeah, there you go. Clean gun.